How to use iPhone setting, everything need to know, the complete guide. Hello and welcome to our complete guide to using iPhone setting. On this video, we will cover everything you need to know about iPhone setting, from basic setting like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to more advanced setting like developer and battery. Whether you are a new iPhone user or seasoned pro, this video has something for everyone. So let's get started. Part 1. Basic setting. The first thing we will cover are the basic settings on your iPhone. These include things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data. Here's how to adjust them. 1. Wi-Fi. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, go to Setting and then tap on Wi-Fi. After that, you toggle the switch on. After you switch on the Wi-Fi toggle, your iPhone will then search for available network. Tap on the network you want to join and enter the password if prompted. I already connect to this Wi-Fi. The second is Bluetooth. To connect a Bluetooth device, yours is still the same. We go to the setting and then tap on Bluetooth. After that, we can toggle the switch on, and you can also see after we toggle the switch on, your iPhone will then search for available devices. You can tap on the device you want to connect to. Number 3. Cellular data. To turn on cellular data is still the same. We go to the setting and we tap on cellular, and you can toggle the switch on. After you switch on the cellular toggle, you can also see how much data you use and set data usage limit here. Part 2. App and notification setting. Apps and notifications are integral to the iPhone experience, but they can also be overwhelming at times. Here's how to adjust the setting. 1. Apps. To manage app setting, go to Setting. After you go to the setting, you scrolling down. You can see a list of applications that already installed on your iPhone. Here you can view and manage your installed application, including permission and notification. Number 2. Notification. To adjust notification setting, you can go to the setting and then tap on Notification. Here you can choose which application can send notification, customize the sound and appearance of notification, and even set up notification grouping. Part 3. Sound and haptics setting. Sound and haptic setting allow you to customize your iPhone sound and vibrations. Here's how to adjust the setting. 1. Sound. To manage sound setting, go to Setting and then tap Sound and Haptics. Here you can customize your ringtone, notification sound, and many more. Number 2. Haptics. To manage haptic setting, go to Setting and then select Sound and Haptics. After that, you tap on System Haptics. Tap on this. Here you can enable or disable haptic feedback and customize the feedback for specific action. Part 4. Focus setting. The focus feature in iOS allow you to customize your iPhone notification and apps based on what you're doing or how you want to focus. Here's how to adjust the setting. 1. Focus. To manage focus setting, you still on the setting menu and then tap Focus. Here, you can choose from preset focus model like Do Not Disturb, like driving, gaming, personal, work, etc. Or you can create your own custom focus mode. You can also customize notification, application, and contact for each focus mode, as well as set a schedule for when each mode is active. This can help you stay focused and minimize distraction during certain activities or times of day. You can also enable focus status to let others know that you are currently focused and may not be able to respond to messages or calls right away. This feature can be a great tool for staying productive and avoiding distraction. Part 5. Screen Time Setting. Screen times help you monitor and limit your screen usage, and is particularly useful for parents with children using an iPhone. Here's how to adjust the setting. To manage screen time setting, you still on the setting and then tap on screen time. Here, you can view your usage, set limit and restriction, and also more. General setting. General settings on your iPhone are important for customizing your device to your personal preference. To access general setting, you still on the setting menu and then tap on general. Here you can customize things, a lot of things. First, we're going to discuss is one by one. About. To view information about your iPhone, here you can view detail like your iPhone model number, serial number, and more. And then we're back again. Now we are going to discuss about software update. After we tap on the software update, here you can check for available update, download and install update, and many more on this. We're back again, and then AirDrop and AirPlay and handoff. AirDrop and AirPlay are two ways to share content between devices. Here, you can choose your preferred audio output and enable or disable AirPlay and handoff together. And then picture-in-picture. The picture-in-picture features allow you to watch video while multitasking on your iPhone. Here, you can enable or disable picture-in-picture for supported apps. You can adjust the size and position of the video player. Adjust the size and position of the video player and choose whether to automatically hide the player when it's inactive. You can also use gesture to control playback, such as sweeping to resize or move the player, or tapping to show or hide the player's control. This feature can be especially useful when you want to watch a video while using another application or browsing the web. CarPlay. CarPlay is a feature that allows you to connect your iPhone to your car entertainment system. Here, you can customize settings like automatic launch, available cars, and many more. iPhone storage. iPhone storage. Managing your iPhone storage is important to ensure that it runs smoothly. Here you can view your storage usage, delete apps and data, and many more. Background application refresh setting is a feature that allows application to update in the background. Here you can enable or disable the feature and manage application settings individually. The date and time setting in iOS allow you to adjust and customize the date and time on your iPhone. Here, you can enable or disable the automatic time and time zone setting. You can also set the date and time manually and choose a 24-hour time format. You can also choose to have the current time announced on the hour or on demand, which can be useful if you need to keep track of time while multitasking. Additionally, you can choose to display the time with seconds and choose the time zone that your device uses. This setting can help ensure that your iPhone displays the correct time and date, which is important for scheduling events, setting the reminder, and many more. Keyboard. On this keyboard, you can customize your keyboard setting. Here, you can enable features like predictive text and autocorrect, check spelling, and etc. And also, you can even add a new keyboard and input method on this menu. Then, the font setting. The font setting allows you to adjust the font size and style of text on your iPhone. But you must install font from the App Store. Language and region setting. On this, you can customizing your iPhone language and region setting that can help you navigate your device more easily. Dictionary. You can also use dictionary on this menu based on your preference language. VPN and device management. Here you can add and configure VPN connection and view your existing VPN connection. And then I can use like transfer or reset iPhone. Here you can reset different settings like network setting, location, and privacy setting, and many more. And then lastly, it shut down. When you tap on this, it will be directly you to shut down or turn off your iPhone. Control Center setting. Control Center is a feature that allows you to access commonly used settings and apps from one place. To activate the Control Center, just simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. And then the Control Center setting will show on your screen. We are going to discuss the menu or feature one by one. On the top left group, we tap on this. We have a feature Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, you can quickly turn Wi-Fi on or off here and see the network you're connected to. And then we also have a Bluetooth icon here. It's quickly turn Bluetooth on or off and see the devices you're connected to. Then we also have a airplane mode. When you quickly turn airplane mode on or off to disable all wireless connection. We also have a cellular data. It quickly turns cellular data on or off to conserve battery life or limit data usage. Now we back. Under the group like this, we call it the orientation lock. When you tap on this, we can quickly lock the screen orientation on portrait or landscape mode. For example, I'm tap on this again. Portrait orientation lock is off. We open application, for example this. I'm trying to rotate my device and the screen will automatically turn into landscape mode. When I rotate again, the screen will automatically turn into portrait mode. But if I'm back again, I tap again. When the portrait orientation lock is on, I'm trying to open. When I rotate my phone, the screen still remains on portrait mode. Another menu here, you can see personal here. Tap on this. When you tap on personal, you can see a lot of options here, like do not disturb, work, gaming, driving, sleep, etc. When you tap on this, you can quickly turn on or off do not disturb to mute notification and calls. Okay, we back again. And then you can see the menu screen mirroring. In screen mirroring, you can quickly mirror your screen to an Apple TV or other AirPlay compatible device. And then we have a two bar here. The first bar is brightness. You can adjust the brightness of your display by swipe up or swipe down. Next to it is another bar. We can call it volume bar. On this, you can adjust the volume of your device audio output by sliding up or sliding down the bar. And then, music player. When you tap on this, you can control music playback from apps like Apple Music or Spotify. This is the default display of your control center setting. You also can add a new function on this control center setting. How to do this? Go to settings. After that, you go to control center. Here, you can customize which control appear in control center and rearrange the order of control. For example, like flashlight here. When you tap flashlight here, it will move to included control. It will appear on control center. Flashlight, it could be turn the device LED flash into a flashlight. For example, I'm going to the control center. Here, we got a new menu or new icon here, flashlight. When I tap on it, we can see it turned the device LED flash into a flashlight. Now, I'm going to add another menu. For example, camera. When you tap on this, it quickly launches the camera application and take a photo or video. And then, timer. When I'm at timer, it could be set a timer for a specific duration. We also have another function like calculator. It quickly launches the calculator app and also Apple TV remote, for example. It could be use the control center as a remote control for your Apple TV. And then we have a alarm, like quickly set alarm for a specific time. We also have a low power mode. It quickly turn on or off low power mode to conserve battery life. We also have a notes. It quickly start a new note or access recent note. We also have QR code scanner who can quickly scan QR code. We also have screen recording. By tap on this, it quickly start a screen recording. We also have a stopwatch. It quickly start a stopwatch. You also have a text size that can quickly adjust the text size on your device. And then guided access. When you activate guided access, it quickly access guided access mode to limit access to specific features or apps. We also magnifier ada nggak? We also have magnifier It quickly launches the magnifier app to magnify object, and then voice memo. It could quickly start a new voice memo or access recent voice memo. We also have a wallet here who can quickly access your stored card and pass an Apple Wallet. And then we also have accessibility shortcut. When you tap on this, it quickly accesses accessibility feature like voiceover, magnifier, and assistive touch. How to preview it? Just swipe down again. Here. The menu that we add is already shown on our control center. That's it for the control center. And we move to display and brightness setting. Display and brightness settings allow you to adjust your iPhone display and screen brightness. Go to setting and then display and brightness. Here you can adjust setting like dark mode or light mode. You also can set the true tone. You can also adjust the brightness by swipe the slider here. You can also set the text size, bold text, night shift, auto lock, raise to wake, and many more. Next to home screen setting. The home screen setting in iOS allow you to customize the look and feel of your iPhone home screen. Here, you can choose to show or hide the app library, which is a feature that automatically organizes your apps into category for easier access. You can also choose to have newly downloaded apps add automatically to your home screen or to the app library only. Accessibility setting on iPhone. The accessibility setting on iPhone allow you to customize your device for users with special needs. Here are the features in the accessibility setting along with step-by-step instruction on how to enable and use them. One is VoiceOver. VoiceOver is a screen reader that can help users who are blind or have low vision to navigate their iPhone. To enable VoiceOver, you can go to the setting and then tap accessibility and we tap on VoiceOver and toggle the switch to the on position.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Accessibility. Back button.
Once enabled, like you just heard before,
speaking rate. Heading.
VoiceOver will read out item on the screen as you navigate with gesture. To use VoiceOver, you can tap once to select an item and
speech button.
And double tap to activate it.
Voice. Daniel. Button.
For example, I tap on pronunciation.
Pronunciations. Button.
And I'm double tap on pronunciation.
Select. Speech. Back button.
Okay, for example, I'm back again.
Speech. Pronunciations.
For example, I tap once on the voice.
Voice. Daniel. Button.
Yes, I'm already select the voice. Then I double tap on voice again.
Select English Australia. Heading.
Yeah, like that to activate the voice menu. Okay, now we try to turn off the voice over.
Speech. Speech. Voice. Daniel. Select English Australia. English Australia. Speech. Back. Speed. VoiceOver. VoiceOver.
Turn off.
VoiceOver on. VoiceOver off.
Yeah. Finally, we already turn off the VoiceOver. The second is Zoom. Zoom allows users to magnify the screen on the iPhone for easier viewing. To enable Zoom, like before, we go to the setting and accessibility, there is a zoom. And you can toggle the switch to the on position. Once enabled, you can double tap with 3 fingers to zoom in and zoom out. Or you can use the zoom controller to adjust the magnification level. 3. Display and text size. Display and text size setting allow you to adjust the display setting and font size of your iPhone for better visibility. To access display and text size setting, go to Setting, Accessibility and Display and Text Size. Here you can adjust the font size, enable bold text, increase contrast, and choose from several different text styles. Additionally, you can adjust settings like larger text, color filter, and auto brightness and motion effects on your iPhone for a more comfortable viewing experience. To access motion setting, still go to Setting and Accessibility and tap on Motion. Here you can toggle on or off Reduce Motion, which reduces the movement of the application and system animation, parallax effects, and other motion effects. By turning on Reduce Motion, your iPhone will use less processing power, which can also help conserve battery life. Additionally, you can choose to toggle on or off autoplay message effect, which will automatically play message effects like balloons and confetti in messages. Then, spoken content. Spoken content setting allow you to customize how your iPhone speaks content on the screen. Here, you can enable speak selection, which will read any text that you select loud. You can also enable speak screen, which will read the contents of the entire screen aloud when you swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen. Other settings in this section include Speak Auto Text, which will speak the suggested word as you type, and Typing Feedback, which provides audio and visual feedback when you type. Audio Description. Audio description is a feature that can help people who are blind or have low vision to understand visual content on their iPhone. It provides a verbal description of what is happening on the screen during video or other visual content. To enable audio description, we go to the setting Accessibility Audio Description and toggle the switch to the on position. Once enabled, audio description will be available for supported video and other visual content. Touch. Touch setting allow you to customize the way you interact with your iPhone touch screen. Here you can enable Assistive Touch, which provides an on-screen button that can be used to access various functions on your iPhone. Assistive Touch is a feature that provides an on-screen button that can be used to access various functions on your iPhone. Once enabled, you can customize the button and choose the function you want to access. You can also enable 3D Touch, which allows you to perform certain actions by pressing down harder on the touch screen. Additionally, you can adjust settings like Tap to Wake, which allow you to wake up your iPhone with a single tap, and Haptic Touch, which allow you to access context-sensitive menu with a long press. This setting can be especially helpful for users who have difficulty with the traditional tap and swipe gesture on the touch screen. Face ID. To manage Face ID setting is same. Here you can turn Face ID on or off and customize how it's used for things like unlocking your iPhone, making purchases, and many more. Switch control. Switch control is a feature that allows you to control your iPhone using external switches or a keyboard. Once a toggle to the on position, once enabled, you can set up switcher or a keyboard to control your iPhone. Switch control can be helpful for users who have limited mobility or difficulty using the touchscreen. It allows users to perform actions like scrolling, tapping, and selecting items on the screen using external switches or a keyboard. Additionally, you can customize the behavior of switch control by adjusting settings like auto scanning, which automatically moves the selection to different items on the screen, and menu settings, which allow you to create custom menus for quick access to your favorite actions. Voice control. Voice control is a feature that allows you to control your iPhone using voice command. And once you toggle the switch to the on position, once it's enabled, you can use voice command to navigate your iPhone and access application. Then side button. The side button setting allows you to customize the functionality of the side button on your iPhone. Here, you can choose to activate Siri, Control Center, or accessibility shortcut when you press and hold the side button. Control nearby device. Control nearby devices setting allow you to control other nearby devices with your iPhone. To access control nearby devices setting, you can go to the setting, accessibility, and control nearby devices. Here you can connect to other devices like Apple TV, HomePod, and AirPlay to enable speakers and control them using your iPhone. Keyboard. Keyboard setting allow you to customize the behavior of the keyboard on your iPhone. Here, you can adjust settings like auto correction, auto capitalization, and smart punctuation. Hearing device. Hearing device setting allow you to connect your iPhone to a hearing device for improved audio quality. To access hearing device setting, here you can connect to a hearing device, adjust volume and balance setting, and enable live listen. Sound recognition. Sound recognition is a feature that allows your iPhone to detect certain sound and provide notification. Once enabled, your iPhone can detect sound like a fire alarm or doorbell and provide an alert. Audio visual. Audio visual setting allow you to customize the audio and visual feedback on your iPhone. Here you can enable keyboard clicks and other sound effects as well as adjust settings like flash on silent. Subtitle and captioning. Subtitle and captioning setting allow you to customize the appearance of subtitles and captions on your iPhone. Here, you can adjust settings like closed caption, which provide closed caption and subtitle for the deaf and hard of hearing. Guided access. Guided access is a feature that allows you to limit access to certain apps and features on your iPhone. Once you enable this setting, you can set up a passcode and choose which app and feature are accessible. And then, accessibility shortcut. Accessibility shortcut is a feature that allows you to quickly access your favorite accessibility feature by triple-clicking the side button. To enable accessibility shortcut, we still on the setting, tap on accessibility and then select accessibility shortcut and choose the feature you want to include. Once enabled, you can triple-click the side button to quickly access this feature. Wallpaper. Wallpaper setting allow you to customize the wallpaper on your iPhone for better visibility. To access wallpaper setting, still on the setting and wallpaper. Here you can choose from a variety of preset wallpapers or use your own photo as wallpaper. Additionally, you can adjust settings like perspective zoom, which make the wallpaper more slightly when you tilt your iPhone. And dark appearance dims wallpaper, which make the wallpaper darker when dark mode is enabled. This setting can be especially helpful for users who have difficulty seeing certain colors or need higher contrast for better visibility. Siri and search setting. Siri and search are two important features on your iPhone that you can customize to better suit your needs. Here's how to adjust the setting. 1. Siri. To customize Siri, go to Setting, Siri and Search. Here you can turn Siri on or off. And you can also adjust the language and voice and even teach Siri to recognize your voice. 2. Search. To adjust search setting, go to Setting and Siri and Search, and then Suggestion and Shortcut. Show suggestion, show recent. Here you can turn search suggestion on or off and choose which application you want to include in search research. Face ID and Touch ID setting. Face ID and Touch ID are two biometric authentication methods available on newer iPhone. Here's how to adjust the setting. For Face ID, to manage Face ID setting, here you can turn Face ID on or off and customize how it's used for things like unlocking your iPhone, making purchases, and more. And so are for Touch ID. If you have an iPhone with Touch ID, you can manage the setting. Here you can enable or disable Touch ID for various functions and customize how it's used. Privacy and security. Privacy and security settings allow you to control the privacy and security of your iPhone. Here, you can adjust settings like location services, which allow apps to access your location, and Safari, which allow websites to request your location. Additionally, you can control which apps have access to other features like contacts, calendars, and photos. Battery. Battery setting allow you to monitor the battery usage on your iPhone and optimize battery life. Here you can view your battery usage over the last 24 hours or 10 days, as well as view which apps are using the most battery. Additionally, you can turn on low power mode, which reduces power consumption by turning off certain features like mail fetch and automatic download. You can also enable battery percentage, which displays the battery percentage next to the battery icon in the status bar. This setting can be especially helpful for users who want to maximize their battery life or monitor their battery usage over time. App Store. App Store setting allow you to control various aspects of the App Store on your iPhone. Here, you can turn on automatic downloads for app updates and purchases, as well as control settings like video autoplay and app ratings and reviews. Passwords. Password setting allow you to manage your password on your iPhone. Here, you can view and edit saved password as well as control settings like autofill passwords and password auditing. Mail. Mail settings allow you to customize the behavior of the Mail app on your iPhone. Here, you can control settings like swipe option, which allow you to customize swipe gesture for messages and organize by thread, which group messages in threads. FaceTime setting. FaceTime is a feature that allows you to make video and audio call with other Apple devices. Here, you can customize settings like call forwarding, blocked contacts, and many more. Messages settings. Message is the default messaging app on your iPhone. Here you can customize settings like iMessages, SMS, MMS, and many more. Phone setting. Phone setting allow you to manage your iPhone call related features. Here you can customize settings like call forwarding, block contact, and many more. Music settings. Music is the default music apps on iPhone. Here's Music is the default music app on your iPhone. Here you can customize settings like sound quality and many more. The next part is podcast setting. Podcast is the default podcast app on your iPhone. Here you can customize settings like download setting, notification, and many more. Safari. Safari setting allow you to customize the behavior of the Safari app on your iPhone. Here, you can control settings like autofill, which automatically fills in form and password, and block pop-ups, which prevent pop-ups from appearing while browsing. Camera. Camera setting allow you to customize the behavior of the camera app on your iPhone. Here, you can control settings like preserve setting, which keep your last used camera mode and setting, and grids, which overlay a grids on the camera screen for better composition. Additionally, you can control settings like record video, which allow you to choose between different video resolution and frame rates. And that's it. That concludes our video on mastering iPhone setting. We hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to customize your iPhone to your preferences. If you have any question or suggestion, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and bye!